This is a 1981 Zenith R460 AM/FM electronic digital clock radio. Brand new, still in the box. Brand new, still in the box. And we're going to do an unboxing today. This is where it came from. We cleared out a TV shop called Turner Television, and this was in the house. Today we're going to pop it. Gonna pop her open. Come on. Okay. My brand new Zenith radio. You're gonna fight with me now. I'm just gonna cut this. I'm gonna try to preserve this as much as possible. Come on. Got in the bottom here, got our operating guide and warranty to help you enjoy your new Zenith solid state AM clock radio. And we have safety tips. We'll have to go through these. Printed in Hong Kong. Now we're gonna pull the radio out. Touch and snooze. It's almost like scratch and sniff. Yes. It smells like a new radio. Zenith Radio Corporation. Brand spanking new. These foam pads are starting to disintegrate. Let me get this out. This thing is nice. Printed in Hong Kong. I'm not going to undo this. I'm just going to take it right over here and plug it in. It is set. It's set right on 88. Wow. Okay. There's no sound. Oh, my Variac's not on.
He was a great player, by the way. Yeah.
Can it really help me fall asleep?
They want their students to attend any parties.
That's odd. That just fell off. Getting nothing over 100 meg.
Weapon 7 is Southern Illinois' classic country.
Up to the kid, and he turned the... Yeah. Here.
Took my pay, and now I stand where the old home stood. Now the geese fly south and the wind goes cold as I stand here and hang my.
Unfortunately, people have failed her in the past through no fault of her own, so she needs someone who can help.
Every single Saturday night I was killing time. Neon lights. Every single Saturday night, yeah.
Yeah, completely dead over 100 meg.
Story than what's playing out like.
Look at that little Bee Gees action. Let's read these manuals. I'm eager to see what these say. Safety tips. The product should be cleaned only as recommended by the manufacturer. Contact your Zenith dealer for service. Oh, that's cool. I thought he was putting it in the dishwasher for a second. That's pretty cool. Here we go. Here's the main piece of so like 2 pages stuck to. Oh, is there? Oh, cool! It's a fold out. I wish they would give us a schematic. That would be kind of cool. Zenith radios usually have the schematic on the inside. No, we're not going to pop it open. No, we're not going to repair it. It's just going to go straight back in the box. So anyway, thanks for watching.